There's a lot of noise right now around AI voice agents. How smart they sound, what model they're using, how impressive the demo looks. In this series, I'm going to focus on something far more important: trust and performance. And here's the part that most people miss. There are two sides of trust when it comes to AI voice agents. On one side is the business deploying the agent. The other side is the customer or prospect speaking with him. If either side doesn't trust the interaction, the system fails. On the business side, trust sounds like this. Can I trust him to show up every time the phone rings? Can I trust him under load, not just in a demo? Can I trust how conversations are handled, remembered, and governed? If the answer to any of those is unclear, the agent doesn't belong in production. That's not an AI problem. That's an operational one. Now, let's talk about the other side, the person on the other end of the call. Customers, prospects, they don't care about AI models. They don't care how advanced the system is. They don't care about prompts. They care about whether the person on the other end listens, responds appropriately, sounds competent, and earns their confidence. The moment something feels off, is a hesitation, a confusion, bad timing, the trust disappears. Performance is what connects both sides of trust. Now, from the business side, performance means reliability, scale, and control. From the customer, prospect side, performance, it means clarity, continuity, and judgment. If an agent performs well, trust forms naturally. If performance breaks, trust collapses kind of instantaneously. On both sides, by the way. That leads me to this series of videos where I'm going to break trust down from both perspectives. I'm going to look at how memory affects trust, why infrastructure matters more than intelligence, how scale exposes weak systems, and why governance and judgment decide whether agents belong in real businesses. I'm going to use real calls and real examples. I'll demonstrate real systems, and I'll be looking at real operating conditions. AI voice agents don't succeed because they sound smart. They succeed because both sides trust the interaction. So in this series, I'm going to show you how that trust is actually earned. If you care about real AI voice performance from both sides of the call, keep a watch for the next video because this series is for you.